sabi niya talaga, oh, uy, Miga, gumawa ka talaga ng video ha, batiin mo ako. Ay, talaga naman. Alam mo ba, hindi ako marunong gumawa ng video para akong tanga. Kanina umiiyak ako kasi ang haba ng mensahe ko sa'yo. Kaso nauuihan naman ako. Kaya inulit ko, isa lang ang sasabihin ko sa'yo. Magpaganda ka, magpasiksik ka. At talaga para maging bata ka ulit, no, 'di ba? O kaya magiging masaya tayo pagdating ng araw. Kaya maraming salamat dahil hindi mo kami nakakalimutan. Thank you, Mamo, sa pagiging mabait na kaibigan at sana hindi magbabago ang lahat. Ha? Ayokong umiyak kasi hindi ako sanay. Kaya once again, happy birthday. Sana ipagpalain ka ng Panginoon, habaan pang buhay mo at sana enjoy lang ang buhay, Mamo. Maraming salamat. We love you.
Hello Mars, happy 60th birthday. Wish ko para sa iyo good health and bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Si Bing ay napakabait at masayahing kaibigan. Again, happy 60th birthday my friend. I miss you and God bless you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Mamu! Kalain mo yun? 60th birthday mo na. Akala ko 50 ka lang. Grabe. Nakakasad kasi madami sa tropa ang wala dyan para sana ma-witness ang iyong ka-60th birthday. Pero ganun pa man, kahit na tayo ay magkakalayo-layo na, still, ang ating friendship ay mananatili hanggang sa pagtanda natin. So, wish ko lang sa'yo is good health always, and sana pag uwi ko, kompleto tayo para talagang bonggang-bongga yung ating celebration ng ating pagkakaibigan. Happy birthday uli, Mamu. Stay groovy as you are. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Bing. Enjoy your day. Birthday, Mama Bing.
Hello, Ante. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. May you have more birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Beng. Enjoy your great day. God bless.
Hi, Tita Beng. Happy 60th birthday
to you.
And we wish you all the best and more birthday to come.
Enjoy your day. We love you.
Love you.
Love
Bye.
you.
Hi, Tita Beng. Happy 60th birthday. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. I love you.
Sama ka? Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your 60th birthday. Ayan, pwede ka na magka-boyfriend ulit. Happy birthday. Have fun. Enjoy. Tulog yung bata eh. Okay, sige. God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Beng. We love you the best. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Beng. Wishing you a good health and many birthday more to come. Look after yourself. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Beng Beng. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Happy birthday. Roses for you. Look at those flowers coming from Holland. And my apo is here.
Just mine.
Just mine. Happy birthday, Tita
Happy
Beng.
birthday.
I hope you have a wonderful birthday to come. And many, many more birthdays to come. So I love you, Tita Beng. And I wish you the best. I love you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Love you, love you, love you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Beng! Happy birthday! Join the 60 years old to... Come on, come on!
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Beng! Enjoy!
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Beng!
Birthday, Beng!
Greetings from Japan! Happy birthday!